Once upon a time, in a small town nestled amidst majestic mountains and green fields, there was an old, worn-out cart. This cart, once the pride of the town, used to transport goods back and forth, connecting the community to the outside world. However, over the years, the cart had lost its former glory, and its wood had weakened due to time and varying weather conditions. One day, while attempting to cross a steep path leading to the neighboring town's market, the cart got stuck in the mud. Locals hurried to help, but no matter how hard they pulled and pushed, the cart wouldn't budge. The entire community gathered, watching the scene unfold. Their faces were marked with determination, but also concern because they knew that their small town success heavily relied on the goods that cart carried to the neighboring market. As the hours passed, the cart remained immobile. Amidst the crowd, an elderly sage approached the cart. With serene eyes, he observed the situation and said, "The cart represents our lives. Sometimes we find ourselves stuck in challenging situations, and it seems like we can't move forward. But just like this cart, we can overcome any obstacle if we work together and find the right way. Remember, dear friends, merely watching won't move the cart, not even God. We need action, unity, and determination to overcome this challenge. We are all part of this community, and together we can find the strength to set it free. The strength we need is within us." Moved by the words of the elder, the townsfolk began to think together. In the end, they decided to remove some weight from the cart and create a sturdy base beneath the wheels. With a lot of patience and determination, they managed to pull the cart out of the mud. The air filled with celebration as the cart finally budged, and the faces of the people lit up with joy and satisfaction. The lesson of the stuck cart teaches us that obstacles are an inevitable part of life, but it also shows us that perseverance and collaboration are the fundamental tools to overcome them. Have you ever wondered why we face obstacles? Obstacles are an essential part of the human experience. They teach us valuable lessons and help us grow. They show us that life is not always easy, but they also provide us with the opportunity to demonstrate our perseverance and determination. Every time we overcome an obstacle, we gain strength and confidence in ourselves. But here's the key. Perseverance isn't something you either have or don't have. It's something that is developed through experience and continuous effort. Have you ever noticed how often the biggest obstacles require collaboration to overcome? Collaboration allows us to combine our strengths and skills with others, creating a united front against adversities. In moments of difficulty, collaboration provides us with fresh perspectives and innovative solutions. It shows us that we are not alone in our struggles and that, together, we are stronger. Now think about an obstacle you have overcome in the past. How did you feel when you conquered it? Were there people who supported you at that time? The next time you face an obstacle, remember these experiences. Perseverance and collaboration are the fundamental tools that will help you overcome any challenge life throws your way. What do you think of this perspective? Do you have any personal experiences related to perseverance and collaboration that you would like to share? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. On another note, if this story has inspired you, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel. Similarly, if you want to discover more valuable content like this, I invite you to check out the story displayed on the screen.